Elsewhere, it's full steam ahead. On Borkum's light railway, you can be an engine driver for a day. Gerhard Winter, the man in the overalls, is today's honorary driver. Everything is explained very clearly.
We're about to do a regular run. That means we'll go to the station and travel a scheduled route. We have a real ship's connection to meet. People will be going to the mainland on the catamaran, and we're taking them to it. And we'll pick up people who have arrived from Emshaven and then take them to their destinations.
Then it's crunch time for the amateur engine driver. But Gerhard Winter has everything under control. We wish him a safe journey and return to the beach to enjoy the North Sea air and a spectacular sunset.